2011 Honda Civic 4-door. Going to be removing the rear deck speaker. Driver of this vehicle advised that the rear speakers aren't working. So going to unhook the plug, which you just pinch the sides. The plug comes undone. All right, we're going to take some pry tools. And on this particular vehicle, you should be able just to pry this up. Just have to get down up in here. There we go. And it just pries up a little bit. There we go. And we just pull it to the outside, these tabs. Now I'm going to be removing this Phillips screw, or you can use an 8mm. Now what we're going to do is just try to, it's going to be sealed. Okay, there's the seal. And what you're going to do is once you get this part up, you're going to move the speaker back towards the back and center because there's some tabs. And then the speaker comes out. As you can see on the old speaker, these tabs right here, they go in and they slide back. So that's what we're going to do. Here's the new speaker. I'm going to get those tabs, make sure we're lined up. That's it. Now we're going to take our grill. So these tabs right here are going to slide in above and then slide up underneath the deck. And then it just snap in. Oh, there we go. That's it. Passenger side clip. This down in there. Boom. That one come off easy. There we go. Again, slide it towards the center of the vehicle. And of course, you'll have this molding on the bottom. Slots are right here. Line them up. Try to get them in. Push back. Replace the screw. Get that started. Tabs in. Just gotta lightly push down. Now, see, it's popped up right in the back. And I noticed that this back kind of gives you a hard time. There we go. Plug your plug back in. Clicks in.